How to sign up for Tinder account. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to create your Tinder account. Ensure you have Tinder app downloaded on your mobile device before getting started. Once downloaded, open the Tinder application. You will be presented with various login options. Choose login with phone if you prefer using your phone number. This will prompt you to enter your country code and phone number. After entering the details, click continue and wait for the verification code. Once received, enter the code and click continue. To secure your account, provide an email address and click continue. Alternatively, you can sign in with Google. Now you're almost there. Click I agree and input your first name. Remember, it's unchangeable later. Click next, then let's go to proceed. You can edit your name if needed or simply proceed. Enter your birth date, click next, enter your gender, then click next again. Specify your sexual orientation and preferences, followed by your interest and what you are looking for in a potential match. Adjust distance slider to set your preferred match location. Distance. Click next and optionally complete the school and job details or skip this step. Customize your profile further by adding preferences and interest. Choose at least 2 photos to continue, then allow your location. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for a Tinder account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.